In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up all-in-one SEO for WordPress correctly. Whether you're just starting out with WordPress or looking to optimize your existing site, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's jump right in. First, open up your favorite web browser and navigate to WordPress.com. This is the hub where you'll manage your website, so it's important to be familiar with it. Once you're on the home page, look for the login button. It should be prominently displayed and easy to find. Click on it to proceed. You'll be prompted to enter your credentials, so go ahead and do that to access your WordPress account. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself in the WordPress dashboard. This is essentially the control center for your site, where you can make changes and updates. Spend a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new. The next stop is the plugins section. Plugins are tools that extend the functionality of your WordPress site, and they're essential for customizing your site's features. Locate and click the Plugins option in the navigation panel. This will take you to a page displaying all the plugins currently installed on your site. Our goal here is to add a new plugin, so move your cursor to the Add Plugin button and click it. This action will direct you to the plugin marketplace where you can search for a variety of useful tools. In the search bar, type in All-in-One SEO. This plugin is one of the most comprehensive tools available for managing your site's SEO effectively. As you type, potential matches will start to fill the screen. Once you see the All-in-One SEO plugin, you'll want to install it. Confirm that it's the right plugin by checking its reviews and active installations if you'd like. This can help ensure you're choosing a reliable option. After confirming, go ahead and click on the Install button. The setup process is quite quick, but wait patiently while WordPress does its magic. As soon as installation is complete, the button will change to Activate. Click on the Activate button to enable the plugin on your site. Now, all-in-one site right away. By following these steps, you've successfully set up all-in-one SEO for your WordPress site. The plugin will start working in the background, helping improve your site's visibility and search engine ranking. Don't forget to explore its features and settings to customize it further to suit your website's particular needs. That's all for today's lesson. Thanks for joining me, and happy optimizing!